G'day folks, today we're just going to have a bit of a light-hearted look of what a day in the life of, well, the average day in our workshop looks like. So I hope you enjoy it, it's a little bit of fun, and I'll see you at the end.
Got a hard day's work today. I really don't want to go. I'm really seriously thinking about calling the boss and saying that I'm not coming. Hang on a minute. I am the boss. Damn it!
Yeah, I get you. Yeah, I know. Yeah, it's been going for a while. Yep, alright. Well, we'll do what we can. I can't promise you anything, but we'll do what we can. Yep, alright. Okay. See ya. So just before you got here, I just got a phone call, and they want us to get this one, this one, this one, and this one done by the end of the week.
But it's Thursday.
Yeah, I know.
Can you get that?
Demus Joinery. Hello? Hello? Hurry up. That's the 6th one this morning. Bloody telemarketers. It's only 8 o'clock. Demus Joinery. Yeah, mate. How you going? Are you serious? We're like 90% through it. Yeah. Alright. Thanks for letting us know. See ya. Joe, they've changed window 10 again.
Yeah. G'day George, how you going, mate? Yeah, yep. Yeah, we can do that, mate. Oh, come on, be serious. There's at least 8 weeks work in that job, and if I started it next week, it'd still be 10 weeks away. Mate, there's no way in the world I can have it to you in 2 weeks. It's just not possible. Even if I had 10 blokes. You got to be realistic, mate. You need to start ordering your product a lot sooner than when you actually need it.
Hey Joe, have you seen my rule anywhere?
Nah.
Damn it, I swear I spend 4 hours a day working and 4 hours a day looking for me tools.
Yeah, Seamus. Mate, I'm just looking at a set of plans here that somebody wants me to price up for them. And the timber that they've specified is Didgrow. You ever heard of that one before? What's a tree? What's that? Oh, I get you. Yeah, right. So I thought I might do a little bit of work at lunchtime on that cupboard that I've been building for the wall over here.
Right.
Oh, jeez, would you look at the time? Midnight. I think I better get myself off to bed. I've had enough work for today. Especially seeing I'm going to have to do this all again tomorrow.
So I hope you got a bit of a laugh out of that. Whilst we sort of exaggerated a little bit, it's pretty common for a lot of things that go on from day to day in this place, and yeah, I get a bit of a laugh out of it at times, as annoying as it can be. I certainly don't get a laugh out of the phone ringing with telemarketers and call centers ringing and that sort of stuff. Believe it or not, filming this video today, I've had at least 20 phone calls from telemarketing call centers today. So they just drive me nuts. But anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.